Hello world, I'm Isabel and welcome back to my channel. As I said in my previous video, I'm going to start a series about the mini project to help you better understand the AWS services, or to understand if this is your first time hearing about AWS. And well, before we start to play in the AWS console, we're actually going to learn how to access AWS programmatically. So this means I will not use the console directly. I will use infrastructure as code through Terraform, and I'm going to teach you how to do all this, how to configure your access, how to use the terminal, and some simple bash commands. This is actually your first step toward building something real in AWS, and I'm really excited because I actually already did this video, so I recorded myself already. I recorded the whole process, and I started clean. I had some bugs, and I'm going to show you also how I got rid of these bugs and how was I thinking. So yeah, I am super excited. I hope you are too. And yeah, let's do it. So, hello world again, and welcome to my screen share. And I hope by now you actually created your AWS account, and this is going to be the first page that you're going to see. If you didn't do that by now, please go and create your AWS account, because otherwise we can't do nothing. What is AWS CLI? It's also known as the command line interface, and basically it lets you control the AWS services directly from your terminal. We're not going to click around in the web console. It's just going to be clean, repeatable commands. We're going to use a terminal. If you want to use your pre-built one, that's totally fine. I'm going to use one called Hyper. What the heck is Bash? Maybe you're asking yourself. Bash is a command line shell. It's a program that lets you interact with your computer or the cloud using text commands instead of clicking. So just think of it like it's a keyboard shortcut to your cloud. And instead of using a mouse to click through, you're just typing the exact commands to get things done faster, more reliable, and in a way that's repeatable. So this is the page where you take all your commands and install AWS CLI. In the meantime, we're actually going to learn the first bash command, and it's called ls. So this is going to list the files, folders that you have in the current directory that you're in. And the second command you're just seeing right now, cd, is going to open a folder of your preference. Mine was crc, and now I finally decided where I want to install the AWS package. So we're going to wait a couple of minutes. No, it's done. Cool. So we're going to go to the second command. Look at you. You learned already 2 bash commands. So now I got asked to put my password. So this is the password for my computer account, and you didn't see nothing because when you type your password, it's not going to show there. So if you feel like you're typing and you don't see it, it's really how it is, and don't type it multiple times because you have to repeat the process. Cool, now it's installing, and now we have to wait. Cool, and the third step would be that we should see which AWS version we have. This is how we will actually realize if everything was installed. So I'm heading over to my terminal again and I'm pasting these commands. Looks like it's installed where it should be. And we should get a AWS version. No, we do have AWS installed. Great success. Hey, welcome back to my face. So, you did it. You installed the AWS CLI. Wow, this was, I hope it wasn't super hard and you didn't run into any problems. But if you did and you still didn't manage to install the AWS CLI, just pop a comment and we'll try to solve it. So, what we did, let's do a short recap. We went to the official AWS website. We downloaded the latest CLI installer for your system and mine. And once installed, we verified the installation using the bash command, actually AWS dash version. Besides that, we learned two new bash commands: ls, which is going to list the files and folders in your current directory, and cd, which helps you open a folder. And this is where we installed our AWS package. Cool. I hope that wasn't too scary, and yeah, we'll see each other in the next video. And in the next video, we're going to go further by having full programmatic access to our console. So yeah, stay tuned and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.